Dahi Bhalle or Dahi Vada. For this I have taken urad dal, 1 cup of urad dal, and I'm going to soak this for around about 2 hours, or you can soak it for overnight too. I will wash it. After soaking, I will wash it and I will grind it into a smooth paste. Remember, for Dahi Vada or Dahi Bhalle, your batter should be, the consistency should be thick. You can add, while grinding, you can add 1 tablespoon of water, but not more than that. Add half a teaspoon of salt, and I have added here hain, just 1/4, and some jeera powder. Just dry roast 1 teaspoon of jeera and just grind it, and your jeera powder is ready. And now comes into the mixing. This is a time consuming thing, so remember, you have to mix it properly. For mixing, just we need to insert air into our batter. For this, just in one direction you have to mix it, and your batter is thick. See, this is the consistency of my batter. When you shake the hand, at that time only it drops. I have taken around about 15 minutes to mix it, and it has increased its volume too. The batter has increased its volume, and now it's ready for frying. My oil is heated, and I have placed some water into a pan, and I'll just make it hot. And it's time for frying now. Fry it till golden brown. Chaat does not need any occasion to have, so do make it and let me know. And fry it in medium heat. The main thing comes into the mixing, If you mix it properly, because the mixing is the time consuming. And remember, do not add water while grinding. Just you can add 1 tablespoon of water. And my warm water is done now. It has boiled a little bit more. So I'm just adding some cold water to make it cool down. And I have added salt into it. So around about 2 teaspoons of salt I have added into the water. And now see, my vada has been fried well. It's brown in color, golden color. And now I'll just pick it up and I will drop it into my warm salted water. So remember, just your water should be warm, and into it add 2 teaspoons of salt into it, and let it rest. I have done all my vadas, and now I will transfer this into some cold water. Into it I have added around about 2 teaspoons of salt again, and now I will transfer my vadas from hot water to cold salted water. See, it has increased its size too, and rest it. And now I will make the dahi, because it's a dahi bhalle or dahi vada. So the main ingredients is dahi here, or curd. I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar into my dahi or curd, and I'm going to mix it well. For Dahi Bhalle, your dahi should not be sour, it should be sweet. I have made a masala for Dahi Vada, or you can use in any, this masala goes well with any sort of dahi chaats. I'll show it in my upcoming videos. Now it's time for assembling everything. I will take out one vada, just squeeze little moisture out from the vadas and place it. While you are squeezing out the water out of the vada, don't squeeze out too much. There should be some moisture retained in the vadas, or it will be dry. So when you serve, at that time only you will pick the vada from the water and then squeeze out a little bit of moisture out from there and serve it. And now I am just adding some dahi into my dahi bhalle, and add the chutney, meaty chutney, tikhi chutneys, some grinded masala, homemade masala which I have made you. I'll share it in my upcoming videos, and decorate it with some save, some pomegranates, whatever you like you can add into it. And the best summer evening snacks, you can have this. It's a wonderful thing. Do let me know in the comment section how did you like and how did you make this vada. The main thing is that to make the vadas, it should be soft, moist, and wonderful snacks, evening snacks for your guests and for yourself also. Do make it and let me know in the comment section. And wait for my upcoming videos. Bye bye. Take care. Eat healthy. Stay healthy. And do not forget to subscribe my channel with bell icon. Bye bye.